Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Again, what separates us from everybody else? We build them all. I enjoy building all types of engines. Happens to be one of my favorites here again from the old school days, Pontiacs. This one we painted black valve covers, powder-coated intake, fast EFI, black March kit on here, black oil pan. It came out gorgeous. It's a beast. It's a torque monster. It's a 455. Makes somewhere about 490 horse, 580 foot-pounds of torque. That's what I'm talking about. And this is all down low. And that's what you build when you're building these style motors. They're traffic like the traffic light engines. Phenomenal. But again, we build them all. If you're looking for any type of motor, you want something, give us a call. I'll be happy to custom build anything you like. 1-800-267-3940. And remember, the proof is in the performance. Trust the boys that know best. Performance Unlimited. Thank you.
What'd it do? Hold up. 523 horsepower. And it's got over 600 off the bottom.
Very nice. Very nice.
What a